this video, let me show you how to set up the OpenClaw for the Telegram AI agent. As you see on the screen, we're gonna build a Telegram AI agent exactly like this. Many users are facing the pairing issues when setting up the OpenClaw for the Telegram, and I will provide a easy solution for that pairing issue as well in this video. So make sure you watch this video fully. So let's get started. OpenClaw, previously called the Chatbot, then they rename it to Moldbot. Again they rename it to OpenClaw. And you consider OpenClaw is a personal AI assistant. That means you can connect OpenClaw to your WhatsApp, Telegram, and Discord, and many things. And this is the part 2 of this OpenClaw tutorial. I have already made a video on how to connect OpenClaw for WhatsApp. If you haven't watched that video, make sure you check this video first. And if you watch that video, you will get the idea. But you can also watch this video only. So let's get started. And to install this, we need something called the npm. You consider we can install this using the npm. To have the npm, you need to download the Node.js. Open up your Node tab and type Node.js download. So make sure you download the Node.js according to your operating system. And once you install it, if you want to verify it, just open up your command prompt, and in the command prompt just type npm ---- version. So you consider I am using the latest version here. Then we can install this. Copy this command. I will provide a GitHub link in the description. You can check that out. So let me copy and paste it here and press enter. And it will take some time to install the OpenClaw. And you can also build this from source as well. That is, you can clone the repo directly and you can then build. But this is a short way. Instead of cloning this full repository then building it, you can just install it using a single command. That's why we are going with this way. We can just install using the single command. Now the package has been successfully installed. Let me clear the screen and let's check the version. So OpenClaw ---- version. And if you get any version number, that means OpenClaw has been successfully installed. You consider I am using this version. And if you want to start the OpenClaw, just type OpenClaw on board and make sure you read the security information here. And once you have read the security information, just press Y. Then I'm going to choose quick start. And here for the configuration, here you consider use existing values, update values, or you can reset. I'm going to reset the full reset. And for the model provider, I'm going to choose the Open Router, because Open Router is the only provider that will give you the API key for free. And for the model, I'm going to use the default one. Make sure you choose this one, Open Router Auto, and then press enter. And here in this video, we're going to go with the Telegram. In the last video, I have made about the WhatsApp. If you haven't checked that out, I will provide a link in the description. You can check that out. Then it will ask us to give the Telegram bot token. So let's see how to get the Telegram bot token. So before you proceed here, make sure you have your Telegram account. Then open up your new tab and type web.telegram.com. And you can also do the same in your Telegram mobile app as well. So in the search bar, what you need to type is type for the bot further. So this is the one bot further. Click on start. And here we need to create new bot. So here just type new bot. Consider new bot here. And just type this new bot. You consider. And we need to give a name for our bot. Let me type some name here, Telegram agent. And then it asks us to choose the username. The username must be end with bot. So I'm gonna type Telegram agent huntbot. So this username is invalid. So this is my username here, and you can see that we got a token as well, and we got a URL as well. So let me copy this token. So this is very important. So make sure you don't show this token to someone else. And let me copy and paste the token here. Now we have configured it. We consider it asks us to configure the skills. So press Y, and we can skip the skills here by pressing the space, or you can install other skill as well. We have the summary skill. So to select it, just press space. And for the Google API key, I'm gonna press no here. And for the enable foods, I will also skip this. So just press a space and skip now. And gateway service already installed. So I'm going to restart it now. So when you install the OpenClaw for the first time on Windows especially, you will get a error like gateway didn't start properly. So in a minute, I will show you how to start the gateway properly. So you should get a URL here. Consider it will open up the URL. And what we need to do is we need to install a gateway. To do that, open up your PowerShell. And before that, we haven't provided the API key for the Open Router, right? We haven't provided any API key for the AI agent. First, let's do this, then I will show you how to start the gateway properly, because we need to set up the API key first. So to add the API key, just type OpenClaw models auth add. You consider it asks us to enter the provider. We're gonna choose the custom one, and the provider ID will be Open Router So the method will be paste token and the provider ID will be open router manual so that this token is spare. So before this, let's create the token now. Open up your new tab and type open router. When I use this one, just click this website link here and make sure you have your account here. And you can say I have already logged in, and if you want to check the models, click on models. There are many models here and most of them are free. So if you go to profile and go to settings, let me go for API keys. Sir, I have already 2 API keys. Let me create a new one and let's give a name for our API key, and we have set the expiration to no expiration. So I'm gonna click on create. So this is the API key, and you can't able to view this API key again. So make sure you note it down somewhere. And I'm gonna set this token expire to no and paste the API key here. And now we have set the API key for our model. Then what we can do is we can go with the gateway. So open up your PowerShell now and just right click run this as administrator, and here just type open router gateway install --- force. You can see the gateway service has been already registered, and you can also reinstall this with this command. This is the same command, but you can try it once. Let me paste here. So once the gateway has been installed, and after the installation also, if the gateway didn't start it, you can manually start it. To manually start it, we need to locate where the gateway has been installed. For that, open up your file explorer and go to the say disk and go to users, select your users, and make sure you set the hidden items to true. So make sure you enable hidden items. Then go and you have your folder called .OpenClaw. Make sure you open that, and this is the folder where the gateway will be installed. Let's start the gateway now. Let me minimize this. So to start it, just type OpenClaw gateway start. If you didn't start it properly, then I will show you how to start it manually. Consider gateway has been scheduled properly, but if for any reason if it didn't start for you, then what you need to do is open up the folder that I opened earlier. Consider there will be a file called gateway.cmd. You need to just double click on it and run it. It will start the gateway manually for you. So this is the better approach to start the gateway. Now the gateway has been started for the OpenClaw, and then what you can do is you can just open up the URL. So if you go to browser, you can see now the OpenClaw has been successfully started. This is the UI, and here you can type any message here, and you can send hi. The model will respond you. Let's see how to message through the Telegram. If you go to Telegram, you consider this is the URL. Just click on this URL. You consider this is our Telegram bot, and you just click on start. And here you can message. You consider we got a message like access not configured. We have a pairing code. So most of the users are stuck here, the pairing error. So I will also show you how to fix this. And before that, if you go to UI, you consider the UI is working properly, but if you message from the Telegram bot, if you message hi here, you won't get any reply because you have to pair it to the OpenClaw. To pair it, open up your command prompt again. So not this one, let me open up a new command prompt and just type OpenClaw pairing list Telegram. If you press enter, so first we need to see if there is any request. You can say there is a request and the code and the Telegram user ID, and it is requested on this following time. To approve this, just copy this. Consider this the command. Copy this. For you, it may be different, but the procedure will be same. You just have to copy this and go to terminal and paste it here and press enter. Consider now the request has been approved. Now we good to go. If you check out the pairing list Telegram, now there is no request because we have approved it. Consider no pending request. So we can close this, and now you can message it through the Telegram bot. So let me go to Telegram bot and let me keep this side disk file, and let me enter some message here. Hi, I'm gonna send this from the Telegram bot. The same will be reflected in the OpenClaw UI as well. So make sure the server is running. So let me close this terminal console. We got a message hi again, and we can send something like who are you? You consider I am your OpenClaw personal assistant. I help you plan, organize memory and work on code. And we can ask what's the weather in Bangalore. So we haven't configured the weather skill, that is the weather tool. Let's see what we got here. So as usually consider I can't fetch the weather right now because Brave such a API key is not available. So if you want to enable that one, what we need to do is, so let me open up the OpenClaw UI, and if you go to skills, there will be a lot of built-in skills. Select that one, and if you go to weather, consider the weather is already enabled. We need to mention the Brave API key. We can also ask OpenClaw AI agent, how to add that one. So for that, we can ask. You consider for this also, it is showing the Brave API key is not present again. So we can ask now how to add the API key in OpenClaw UI. You consider it is giving us the detailed instruction on how we can set up the API key for the weather tool. You consider open up a shell. We can add the Brave API key. That blah blah blah. You can read this here, and you get the idea, right? If you deploy the OpenClaw server somewhere, we can interact with the Telegram AI bot unlimited, since we are using the open router free API key. And if you want to explore the OpenClaw UI, and if you go to usage, that will be a usage statistics here. If you go to channels, we have only configured the Telegram here, and it is active now. And if you go to instance sessions, there will be a part of statistics. If you go to skills, we have already seen skills. There are many skills here, built-in skills. If you want, you can also enable some of them. That is the one password, Apple Notes, and there will be something called the Gemini. You can provide the Gemini API key here. So it is already enabled, I think. And if you scroll down, you can search health, go places. So you can enter the API key here. And if you scroll down, there will be Nano Banana here. You can also interact with the Nano Banana by providing our Gemini API key. And that's it. This is how you configure the OpenClaw AI agent in the Telegram. And I have shown you how to fix that padding error. And finally, we can also ask how to go to Martali from Belando. And I think I have covered most of the things that you would get error that when you set up the OpenClaw. Consider we got the response as well. So this is for this video, and we will continue in the next one.